Hi, welcome to the Ann and Ashley Show. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Ann.
And we are here to talk to you today about our 15-day cleanse. But before we get started, please hit the like, subscribe, and the alert button on your screen so you don't miss an episode. So this 15-day cleanse that we're going to be talking about is scientifically based. So that's one thing that really drew us to it, was the research behind it.
Yes. So first of all, why do we do a metabolic cleanse, or what's the big deal about it? So basically it all comes down to living in a toxic world and what we are exposed to. And it's kind of that balance between toxins coming in, your body being able to get rid of the toxins. So you always want to be getting rid of toxins more than you are being exposed to toxins. So, you know, we're exposed in the air that we breathe, the water that we drink, the foods that enter our body. You know, our foods we're not getting proper nutrition. We're under chronic stress. We don't sleep well. And all of these things, EMF exposures, that's just to name a few. All of these things add up and they create what's called oxidative stress within our body. And when we have oxidative stress, it eventually can lead to multiple organ systems becoming compromised or diseased. This can lead to symptoms such as, you know, maybe just a skin rash, maybe some fatigue, maybe, you know, sleep issues, mood issues. So a lot of symptoms. And the other thing that we really like about this cleanse is that there is a symptom survey that you take before you start this, so you can see where you're at on all of these different symptom categories. And then at the end of it, you retake that same test and you see where you have improved. Obviously the goal is to get rid of the toxins, but in that you're reducing symptoms and you just feel better overall. You are better, you're healthier, you're nourishing your body.
And other things we like about the cleanse is it's only 15 days. So it is super doable. Yeah, it's doable. It's a cleanse that is scientifically researched to help your body revitalize its ability to detox, which is huge. It also can help us with reducing inflammation, help your digestive health. It can also help heal the gut and then get your body to its optimal function, which is going to help decrease those symptoms on your symptom survey. And then it also can utilize the macronutrients and the micronutrients as well, which are actually required for all phases of detoxification that our body needs. It can also be super easy when it's all laid out for you, and that is one thing this one does, is it's easy to follow. It gives you a plan of action, and it tastes delicious.
Yes.
And which is always a bonus. Yes.
So what is included? You're going to get 30 shake packets. So you're going to do 2 shakes per day. And then there's also 30 supplement packets. So 2 packets of supplements per day. You get a shaker bottle to mix up your shakes. You get the complete guidebook that outlines and details the program. It gives you the yeses and nos on the food. So it gives you dietary recommendations. It's going to give you sample menus, ideas of what to eat for breakfast or for lunch, snacks, dinner. Typically with this one, you're going to have some snacks and then 1 meal a day. That is if you're interested in losing some weight. If you don't want to lose weight, then you would do either 2 meals a day and snacks, or you can stretch it out to a 30-day cleanse and just do 1 of the shake packets and 1 of the supplement packets per day. That's if you don't want to lose weight.
So the protein powder that's included in there, the shakes you'll be drinking, will be vegan, non-GMO, certified organic, pea protein. It has some enzymes in there as well. And then it also takes your micronutrients to convert the fats and carbohydrates into energy. So that's a huge component of that as well.
Right. And then in addition to kind of the protein component of it and the blend of fibers and all those other things, there's a nitrogreens component. So this is it's an alkalizing formula that feeds the nitric oxide pathways. So again, it's coming from 100% organic whole foods extracts and concentrates that are enzymatically active with a high antioxidant value and a rich chlorophyll content. And so this supports healthy immune system and obviously healthy detoxification.
Yes. Then we have the capsules. So the other package contains 5 capsules, which is going to support the bile production and the liver health, which are both essential for all phases of detoxification as well, the blend that it's in. And it also binds to the toxins and helps you eliminate them quickly but safely, so you're not reabsorbing them. The bile production and the liver support is key when you go through all of those detoxification phases for a successful cleanse.
So, to kind of bring this all together and recap, the name of the product is the NutriClear Plus 15-Day Metabolic Cleanse. Again, it's to support the detoxification pathways. It's to give your body antioxidant support with the micronutrients. It is to nourish the liver and the gallbladder so you can produce healthy bile, which is important for detoxification and elimination. Gives you digestive support. It's eliminating all of the foods that can cause an immune response or allergic reaction. So that's important to just quiet the immune system, let your body heal, let your gut heal. So it's no ingredients that are going to disrupt the barrier of the gut. It's going to be gut healing, which is really important as well. And again, to support a healthy inflammatory response for healing.
Right. So what you gain is better sleep, more energy, maybe a better mood, depending on what your symptom survey said. And of course, the bonus is weight loss. Again, some people aren't trying to lose weight, so they'll extend it to the 30-day with any type of toxin pull in your fat cells. So intracellular detoxification, there is going to be some weight loss. So just keep that in mind as well. But some people, that's their goal. So yeah, it is a bonus.
And we are going to start this cleanse. So we're going to start November 13th, which will bring us to the day before Thanksgiving. Yes. And we're really excited.
Yeah, we cannot wait. Yeah. We wanted to start it today after eating really junky this weekend.
Yeah, we had some birthday parties going on. There's cake involved.
I did not have that excuse.
Yeah.
But yes, exactly. So we're really excited about it. If you've been thinking about doing a cleanse or a detox or want to get on some type of protocol to jumpstart your health, this would be a great option.
Yes, really a great option. And if you purchase the Metabolic Cleanse, we're going to give you a code for free shipping, valid through the month of November. So the code that you would punch in during checkout is SHOW. And join us, and we will be there to support you. Again, if you purchase the cleanse, we will send you a link to take that symptom survey, and it creates a really neat report that kind of puts you in a category of toxicity, so you can kind of read up about it. But the interesting thing is, too, you get to see where your symptoms are, and then again, when you take it, it tracks where your symptoms are after, and so you get this visual of how you've improved. So
yes, it's super neat. That's one thing that we were super drawn to.
Right. And we have tasted it because we went to a seminar on this and we did taste it, and it tastes really good. The shakes are good. You can mix it with almond milk or a dairy-free milk of your choice.
Yes. Well, I hope this was helpful for you, and this cleanse is something that maybe you're interested in. Reach out to us if you have any questions. Again, your first nutritional consultation is always free. You can find that and all the information we've discussed on the links below this video. Again, hit the like and subscribe button and the alert button so you don't miss an episode, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.